Hi guys, this is Haley. Today I'll be showing you this everyday cool makeup. I'll be using baby pink for my eyes, lavender for the blush, and magenta for lips. This is something different from what I created, which is on the more warm side. I'm so excited to share how I achieved this look, so let's begin. To start with skincare, I'm going to start with toner as always. I already mentioned this product in my best of 2022 video and I still enjoy using it. It is a serum-like toner that makes your skin plump by giving it hydration instantly. I love how it does not make my skin look greasy or oily while it absorbs onto my skin. I put 2 or sometimes 3 layers, depends on the dryness of my skin. For cream, I'm going to apply a simple yet effective cream to moisturize my skin. The cream I'm going to use is Vegreen 730 Daily Moisture Cream. I've been using this product in the morning and at night for a month now. It is not the fanciest cream out there, but it gets the job done and you can use it every day. Plus, it is great to mix with other stuff like vitamin C. The best part is that it only has 11 ingredients without any extra fancy ingredients that can irritate your skin. Especially when your skin is feeling sensitive, all those fancy ingredients for your skin might cause irritations, so it is good to choose a product with a simple ingredient list. When I apply this cream, it glides so smoothly onto my skin and instantly gives me that burst of hydration my skin craves. It absorbs easily without leaving any greasy residue. Of course, we need to apply a sunscreen too. For sunscreen, I'm using my all-time favorite Isntree Hyaluronic Acid Sunscreen. I featured this product multiple times on my channel and I never used this much hydrating, non-greasy sunscreen ever. It absorbs beautifully onto my skin and it is good to apply multiple layers of this. Instead of putting lots of the product at once, it is good to layer a small amount for better absorption. Since my skin is more in warm side, I'm going to make my skin tone light cool. If you see the color wheel, we use green to cancel the redness on our face. If you want to cancel the yellowness or warmth of your face, you are going to use purple or a magenta color. To cancel the yellowness on my face for cool makeup, I'm going to use a lavender makeup base. This is a lightweight base makeup product that will brighten your complexion while cancelling the warmth on your face. To use small amount of the product, I'm using the famous spatula technique in Korea at the moment. It is a technique where you use the spatula to spread the product evenly. After applying it evenly and thinly, I'm going to blend and absorb it with my fingertips for a more natural appearance. To even out my skin tone, I'm going to use a Tinted Moisturiser. The product has hydrating formula with decent coverage. Although the product seems like it has a relatively thick, creamy consistency, you barely feel it once you blended it. For this product, I'm going to use the spatula technique to get a natural coverage. If you compare it using the spatula technique and without, you will notice the difference. This product has light to medium coverage while giving a sheen glow on your face, so it is a true skin-loving base makeup product. Since today's makeup is cool tone, I'm going to use an eyeshadow palette that consists of a cool tone color. For your eyes, I'm mixing these 2 light cool and mid-tone cool pink shades for a natural depth. After applying it all over my lids, I'm going to apply it onto my under eye area as well. To match with the theme of cool tone, I'm going to use a black eyeliner. Most of the time, I only use brown eyeliner for a natural look and to match with the color of my warm makeup. But true black eyeliner gives cool tone vibes, so I'm going to make everything on lines. For mascara, instead of choosing something that make my lash have volume, I'm going to use one that has a long lash effect. Especially when you do everyday natural makeup looks, it is good to focus on the length of the lashes because it enhances what you have rather than covering it. For brow, from the palette I used previously, I'm going to take this cool tone gray color and fill in roughly. Now it is time to contour. Instead of using a bronzer that makes my skin tone look warm, I'm going to choose a shade to create a natural shade on my face. Contour powder is something you would apply all over your face, so it significantly determines how your skin tone appears. Blush is a crucial part for creating a cool tone makeup look because it will appear on your front cheeks. I'm going to choose a lavender color first for blush to cancel the yellowness on my face. I was not a huge fan of lavender blush, but after learning makeup from JUNG and MOOL makeup artists, I sometimes use it to brighten areas on my cheeks and hide the dullness on my face. After applying it gently on my cheek, I'm going to put it onto my chin and forehead a bit to make everything connect. Next, to add more color on my cheek, I decided to put a more like neon pink shade on my cheek. This color might look too foreign on my channel, but let me explain. This product has a more cool tone pink that makes your look instantly brighten to make your look more alive. For lips, I'm going to use two products. For the whole lip, I'm going to use a mid-tone cool pink shade. And on the center of my lips, I'm going to use the deep magenta color. For the final touch, I'm going to use a white shimmer onto the inner corner of my eyes. So this is the final look. I hope it was helpful to understand more about color in makeup. I had so much fun with playing with cool tone colors and love how my makeup looks vibrant and useful. If you'd like to know about warm tone or cool tone specifically, please let me know. I'll be planning to make a video about it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye!